Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go through how to draw a moon with a lot of bats coming out from it, okay? So let's do it, okay? First things first, beginners. If you're a beginner, stick around the entire lesson. Very, very simple, and it's going to be really short, like 5-10 minutes, something like, not even 10 minutes, like 6 minutes. Let's get started, okay? Going to go over here, and the first thing I do is start with a circle for kind of the moon. So if you're not good at drawing circles, draw a curve, okay? We can draw like curve of like, you can draw like 25% of a curve, right? Curve right here. Over here on this side. Curve on that side. Curve down below. So you have that circle, which is going to represent our moon, okay? And what we're going to do now is we're going to draw a bat in front of it, okay? So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a line, let's say right here, for kind of one of the bat wings. Curve underneath, just a bit like, well, down the wing into the arm, into the head area. Zigzag right there. Curve up, and now I'm going to pull out over here for the other side. Curve underneath, curve underneath, curve underneath here. We're going to draw through the line because we're going to be filling it in. So it's not even going to really matter. We're just going to completely fill that in. So it's not even going to be a big deal. Going to fill it in now, okay? Because we're using a marker. And even if you're using pencil, by the way, it would completely work. So all right, line over here. And so that's our first bat, okay? We need to draw another bat, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna give it a little bit of scale. And so we're gonna draw a smaller bat back here, all right? So how do we do that? Start with the top of one of the wings, but kind of keep in mind it's gonna be a smaller, smaller bat. Down here, up, zigzag right for the middle, and then pull up for this side of the wing, out. Pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in right here for kind of the bat, environment there. And I'm gonna fill this guy in. Just gonna completely fill that in. Very simple, very chill. Cool, cool. Gonna go over here on this side. Line in. Zigzag, up, out. Another bat, kind of roughly the same size. And then I'm gonna go pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in to kind of show the extremities of the bat. And I'm gonna fill that in. We're starting to, it's starting to form a little bit of an atmosphere now, right? It's starting to kind of show that, hey, they're the same bats, but they're at a different distance, flying into the moon or, away from the moon or coming out over here. They're flying basically with the moon in the background, forgive me. What I want you to do right now, by the way, if you like learning how to draw very simple Halloween drawings and not so simple, there's also some more complicated ones. If you like this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe right now. It doesn't just subscribe you for this Halloween, it subscribes you for every Halloween. So for example, next year, Halloween, there's another Halloween next year, a year from now. You're going to automatically start seeing just videos, video drawing lessons on your feed because it's the Halloween season, right? And it goes away when it's not. So When you subscribe now, it kind of subscribes you for pretty much all the following Halloweens, you know, in case you kind of forgot about it or what page it was, it will remind you. So absolutely hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. It's really important and there's no downside to it. But absolutely do that. I'm going to draw now like some smaller ones, which would be really small. They're just literally like 2 strokes right there, right? Like, oh, you know, because there, and it looks, if you zoom in on it, it's like nothing. It's like a check mark. But since your mind, we already have these guys right here, the viewer's mind will be like, oh, that must be a bat when you do that, because they see the closer bats over here. If you want to do another one, you could do, let me see, let's do another one out here. Kind of medium-sized one, just kind of out on the outer rim over here. This could be a little bit large, a little bit like a large M. Let's draw kind of like an M with 1 or 2 lines sticking up from it. And then you can stick some lines down there. Oops, we gotta smooth those out a little bit here. Cool. All right, is that good? All right. Then one bonus thing you could do is if you really want to ground this, you can maybe do like a little mountain over here. Not a mountain, sorry. Like a hill of something. Like a hill. And that's really going to ground kind of this environment that we have going on. And okay, we'll do some bonus stuff over here. I'm going to put like a fence. So a line there. Just have some straight lines coming right from the ground. Straight lines, straight lines, straight lines. And I'm going to draw a line across there to connect that fence, right? It's going to look like there's a gated fence. There's a gated fence. There's like a, you know, there's like a fence right there. And it's going to look more like the environment. And you can just keep adding stuff. That's what's cool about it. You can go over here and draw like a little grave. You can draw like another little hill over here to make it look like, hey, there's stuff going on. But yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. You're amazing. Hit the like button if you like this one. It is just the coolest thing I can do during this time of year. I'd rather be nowhere else but doing this. So what I want you to do is I want you to share the video, and I want you to, you know, share it on, let's say, Twitter or Reddit or anywhere, Facebook, even anywhere. Share it anywhere that people watch videos. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video, okay? The last thing I want you to do is I want you to say happy Halloween to me in the comments. And also, if you can't say that, just say hi to me, because then I'll know that you saw the video, and I'll be like, that person saw the video. Excuse me. Thank you so much. See you next time. Talk to you very, very soon. Check out the store as well. See you later.